everyone, I'm Katie. Do you know how many processes exist to produce a Swiss type sensor lathe? See you today! The first is the casting. Our castings will be placed outside for more than 1 year. Eliminate the internal stress to improve the stability of the machine. And then the optical machine assembly. Get rail, wire rod, tubing, and the like. Come to our finished assembly workshop. The machine cable wiring, machine boring, the corresponding component assembly, the final precision inspection end. Do you remember? We have 300 tests a day, and we'll write on the record. Convenient follow-up research. A sensor machine is installed step by step. Make sure it's fun, it can go to work.